Welcome to Oyifa, the GCC's transparent and commission-free IT procurement platform.
In this demo, see how clients and vendors register, publish tenders, submit proposals, and collaborate seamlessly.
On the Oyifa homepage, start by clicking the Get Started button, followed by Register as Client. Now fill in the registration form with your details. Enter your first and last names, followed by your company email, company name, and designation. Select the company's registered country and preferred language, choosing either English or Arabic. Set a strong password and type it again to confirm. Agree to the terms of use by selecting the checkbox. Once everything is filled, click Create Client Account to complete your registration. Go to your email inbox, open the confirmation email from Oyifa, and click on the confirmation link. Your account is activated and you'll land in the client dashboard page. This completes the client registration process on Oyifa. Now you can proceed with account verification process.
After registering as a client, you need to verify your company documents for that. From your client dashboard, click to create your first tender, which triggers the verification requirement for your account. Go to your account settings, then select the Verification tab to upload required documents. Click Choose File to upload your company registration document, then select and upload your VAT document to complete verification. Click Submit Documents to upload. Oyifa will review them to approve your account for tender posting.
If you are registering as a vendor, follow the vendor registration as well as document verification steps.
Welcome to the Oyifa vendor side demo, showing how vendors join the platform and engage with client tenders. Start on the Oyifa homepage and click Join as Vendor to begin registration. Fill in the vendor registration form. Enter your full name, your email address, for example, yourname@yourcompanyname.com. Then fill your company name as per the registration documents and size of your company like medium. Then select your country and your role in the company. After that, choose the preferable language from the box, for example, English. Create a secure password for your account in the password field, and to verify your password, re-enter your password. Tick the checkbox to agree to the terms of usage. Once all fields are complete, click on Create Vendor Account to submit your registration. Now you will receive a confirmation email from Oyifa. For confirming your account, go to your email there. You will have received a confirmation link. Check your email inbox and click Confirm Your Mail to verify and access your vendor dashboard. After registering as a vendor, you need to verify your company documents. For that, from your vendor dashboard, go to your account or profile settings. Open the Verification or Compliance section to view the required documents. Upload your company registration and VAT documents by clicking Choose File for each, then click Submit Documents to start the upload, and after Oyifa reviews and approves them, your vendor account will be fully verified and eligible to participate in client tenders. After the successful verification, you can create new tenders from My Tenders section. Click Create Your First Tender to start a new tender. In the Tender Number field, type your tender identification number. After that, set the title, which immediately tells vendors what the opportunity is about. Then, in the description box, write a description explaining your IT requirements. For example, the tender is intended for managing the IT infrastructure of your company for a period of 12 months. The text also notes that more detailed information is included in attached documents, guiding vendors to review the full scope before submitting proposals. Enter the maximum budget for the tender, indicating the financial envelope for the engagement. A deadline of a particular month and date is entered, establishing the last date for vendors to submit their bids. Then in the category section, select your category, for example, IT services, so the tender is properly classified on the platform. Under the Attachments area, the user clicks Choose Files and selects a demo tender document to provide detailed requirements and context. After all fields and files are in place, the client clicks Publish Tender. The system shows a, quote, tender published successfully confirmation, and the IT management tender appears in the list with an option to download its details. In this video, you will see, as a vendor, how you can submit a proposal to an open tender in Oyifa. From the vendor dashboard, go to the Opportunities section to view available client tenders. Select an appropriate tender from the list to see its full details. Click Apply Now to start creating a proposal for this tender. In the proposal screen, set the proposal title, for example, IT management proposal. In the main description area, write a brief summary about your proposed solution. Type more details about your proposal here, outlining scope, approach, and deliverables. Under Attachments, click Choose Files and upload your proposal file. Enter your proposed price in the budget or pricing field. If you have any additional notes or clarifications, type them into the Notes field. When everything is complete, click Submit Proposal. A success message appears confirming that your proposal was submitted successfully for the IT management tender. A client uses this flow to quickly review a vendor proposal and approve it on Oyifa. Open the relevant tender from the Tenders section, go to the Proposals tab, review the vendor's scope, attachments, and price, click Approve, then proceed with contracting and project kickoff. After receiving the proposal, the client can schedule a meeting with a vendor on Oyifa. From the client dashboard, go to the Tenders section and open the relevant tender. Navigate to the Proposals or Vendor Details area, where you can initiate a meeting with a selected vendor. Click the option to schedule or create a meeting with the vendor. Then enter a meeting title, such as Requirement Discussion, so both parties know the purpose of the call. In the description or agenda field, type more details about the discussion topics you want to cover. Paste or confirm the online meeting link, for example, a Google Meet URL that both teams will use to join. Then, save the meeting so it is recorded against the tender and shared with the vendor. The scheduled meeting now appears in the tender's timeline. The vendor can receive and respond to a meeting invitation from a client on Oyifa. From the vendor dashboard, navigate to the tender or communication area where you see the client's meeting invitation. Open the meeting details to review the title, agenda, date, time, and online meeting link. Choose your response to the meeting invitation, such as accepting the proposed time. Confirm your RSVP so the client knows you will attend the scheduled meeting. After confirming, the meeting entry is saved for this tender, and you can use the shared link at the scheduled time to join the call with the client. As a client, you can download the meeting invite or join the online meeting from Oyifa directly. For that, from the client dashboard, open the tender and go to the section where the meeting with the vendor is scheduled. Click on the meeting entry to view its details, including date, time, and meeting link. Use the option provided to download or save the meeting invite to your calendar. At the scheduled time, click the meeting link from Oyifa or your calendar entry. You are redirected to the online meeting room, where you can start the discussion with your vendor.